to 100. Wait, the freezer was just there. Come on. Is that okay? Why? Why? What's the correlation to freezer? Why did they put my guy? Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. Okay, if you are new to the channel, I do a bunch of album reviews, reactions, everything new and the latest and greatest from Nigerian music. So definitely stay locked in. All right, today, ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at Ruga and Bounce. The official video this time around is out. If you haven't seen my review of the Pandemic EP and of Bounce itself, the very first listen, go check it out for sure. You definitely don't want to miss that. Bounce, I've said it before, I've said it again. This song is definitely one of my favorite songs out this year. This song has been rinsed, okay? This song has been rinsed and rinsed. It's almost as if to the point that I decided to bleach now, man. But I don't even know what that means. But anyway, I'm excited about this video. This song absolutely deserves all the push, all the acclaim that it's getting right now. It was a standout record from the EP, and it's definitely gonna be a standout record for his career, man. He's a fresh new artist trying to build his own buzz, and I hope this video takes him somewhere, man. Like, target the Caribbean, target the spaces where people enjoy sounds like this, because this is very raw. This is very raw, down to a record that could, as everything is just opening up, this the time. The sun is out, buns are out, you know, like that kind of feeling, that kind of tropical feeling, man. I'm here for it. I'm hoping that's the vibe, that's the energy we're tapping into with this video. I am here for it. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's check out the video. Okay, Ruga and Bounce, let's go. Shit. Hey, this is my jam, bro. Hey, she wants a gangsta in a bed tonight. Hey, she wants me. Yeah, I know. And when a full ground me a day tonight. Alright. She a calling my phone. Okay, so far the setting is very down to earth, very natural, very organic, you know, like very authentic atmosphere so far. It's coming out of the crib, a little kiss on the cheek there. Very harmless, very safe, okay. Nothing crazy so far. I'm here for it, man. Hey, we can put it in. Hey, so crazy you drive me. Yes. Oh man, this is such a sexy record, bro. Hey, hey, come on. Yo, this is me, like, on a regular day, man. This song has been played so much. Like, on a regular day, I'm just vibing to it, like, randomly. And the joy that's coming from this music video alone, you guys already... Man, I'm excited about this record, man. I love the song so much. Yo, just to catch up. Hey, man, job boy, me no fear nothing. Hey, look at the guy saying it smell like. It smell like what? It smell like mint. Let's go. Hey, they stunting. You're the bad demon, daddy. Hey, that's the line. That's the line of the year. You're a bad demon, daddy. What? Let's go. Hey. To Caesar, wig it up. Oh, when he just jumps into that part where he says, "Wiggle that booty and wine for me," like bro, the atmosphere just gets you there, man. This is a song that can just tap into your mumu button and just make you get loose whenever you hear this record, man. Hey, and this is cute. Just one girl, you know. Hey, me have to die for me, yeah. Nice. Hey. I was expecting a party at some point. Catch people whining, man. That's what and that was the almost like a freaking Rihanna's work. That kind of aesthetic, that kind of visuals, man. That's what this song deserves. That's what the song deserves, man. Hey, nah. I think they're getting it. They're getting it. The outfits too. All these fishnets, wife beaters. Like, come on, man. I love it. Like, down to the style, down to the. Nah. They know their details. They know their details. Oh shit, there's some drama here, bro. Okay, let's actually catch it. Let's catch it. Oh, some guy wanted to wine with the girl, Abby. Okay, some guy wanted to catch a wine. Oh shit, we getting drama. Okay, I'm here. This is mad. They put the guy. That escalated though. Why freezer? Why did they put the guy inside freezer? That went from 0 to 100. Wait, the freezer was just there. Come on. Is that okay? Why? What's the correlation to freezer? Why did they put my guy? Is the guy now? Do you know what this thing just triggered? I just had this thought of when your mom tells you to bring out the chicken, and instead of you to bring it out early, Ruga is here dancing on top of the freezer. Wait, what's that guy do? Why? Anyway, we're back on the record still. We're back on the song. Hey, I'm still confused about that freezer. Nah, this is one of the best songs this year, bro. This is one of the best songs this year. I'm saying it. No, this is a world-class record, bro. This is a world-class record. This is crazy. Fam, I love the visuals, man. It's crazy. Like, they're actually like, there's a certain energy that this song screams, and I think they definitely got it there with it, especially at the club scene, man. Especially at the club scene where they had him wearing a fishnet wife beater, and just the energy in the room, the color grading, like the lights, just had a remnants of Rihanna's work video, something like Drake's One Dance, just something to catch a wine to, that kind of atmosphere. And I think Ruga definitely brought it, or whoever the director here definitely brought it here. But I can't get over that freezer part. Like, I understand a guy tries to walk up to your babe and tries to catch a wine and it becomes disrespectful. Yeah, you giving a bit down. Yeah. But the fact that you and your babe now arranged to put him inside freezer, and then you now jump on top of that freezer and now start performing or dancing on top of that freezer, I just didn't get it. I still don't. Anyway, bro, it's a fire track, fire tune. Let me know what you guys think about this video. What you guys think about the guy? Legend says this guy is still inside that freezer, man. But anyway, that's some flagrant shit right there, bro. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. If you're new here, definitely tap in to this channel. Okay, I have another channel as well where I have music news and updates over there, so definitely don't want to miss out. New content coming on the second channel very, very shortly. I'm preparing something very nice for you guys, okay, and I'm hoping that you guys will get behind me on this vision. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I've been your boy Mano, aka palmwinepapi. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.